Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your health insurance with IMG, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the official IMG website. Familiarize yourself with the various health insurance plans offered. Select a plan that suits your needs and budget. Read through the plan details carefully to understand coverage options. Click on the Get a Quote button to view pricing in details. Input your basic information as prompted, including age and health status. Review the list of available plans tailored to your information. Compare the plans presented, focusing on coverage limits and premiums. Choose a plan that fits your requirements and click Apply Now. Fill out the online application form with accurate personal information. Provide any necessary documentation, such as identification or proof of income. Review your application carefully for any errors or omissions. Submit your application once you are satisfied with the details. Wait for an email confirmation from IMG regarding your application status. If approved, review the policy documents sent to your email. Make your initial premium payment through the payment options provided. Once your payment is processed, you will receive your policy documents. Read through your policy documents thoroughly to understand all terms and conditions. Take note of the policy coverage start date and any waiting periods. Store your policy documents safely for future reference. Contact IMG customer service if you have any questions or need assistance. Keep your contact information updated with IMG to ensure you receive important notifications. Set reminders for policy renewal dates to avoid lapses in coverage. Stay informed about any updates or changes to your policy or the healthcare landscape. Participate in any wellness programs offered by IMG to maximize your benefits. Review your health insurance needs annually to ensure continued adequacy of coverage. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.